If you've ever wondered how to get all the nice pieces, the drumstick, the thigh from a full chicken, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to Paulies Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to butcher and dissect a chicken and how to get the wings, the wingtip, the breast, the thigh, and all the other lovely bits and pieces that you get from a chicken. It's really easy, it's really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So don't worry if you've never done this before, it's really easy. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which is every Thursday and Sunday at 8 o'clock. This is a 2-minute fingers crossed video, so we're going to crack straight on. So what we've got here, guys, is we've got a corn-fed free-range chicken, and as you can see, you've got 2 breasts here. You've got the legs there, the wings there, and the thighs are on the underside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and we're going to take off the wings. So you just get a boning knife and just cut in there, and then what you want to do is you want to cut through the knuckle like that, and that's one wing. We're going to spin it around and we're going to do the exact same thing with the other side. So there we have our 2 wings, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take off the leg and the thigh. So with our knife, we're just going to pull that cut into there, and we are just going to cut away the skin, and as you can see, that comes away nice and easy. So we're just going to follow it around where the meat is, like that. But you're just going to pull that, and then you're going to cut through to give your leg. We've got the main chicken carcass, we've got the 2 wings, we've got the 2 legs. Now, in order to turn this into a crown, what we need to do is we need to cut through the back. This bit can be used for chicken stock, which is absolutely amazing. You need to make fresh chicken stock if you've never done it before. If you've not done it before, you can catch the video up here. So yeah guys, as you can see, that's your chicken crown. I have tidied it up, taken the ends off there and at the front. And if you wanted to roast it like this, which I highly recommend that you try and do, it tastes absolutely amazing, is that you put that in the base and you stand it up like that. You baste it and put some nice veggies around the side. So what we're going to do, guys, is that I'm not going to leave it as a chicken crown. I'm basically going to cut straight down the middle. There's a hard bit in the center here. We're going to cut either side, and then we're going to go under and take out the chicken breasts. So that's the hard bit. What you want to do is you want to cut straight down. Keep as close to the bone as you can, like that. Lovely. And then just keep cutting down. Cut that away, cut that away. And there you have one large chicken breast. And we can take the inner fillet out. So that's your chicken mini fillet, or as the dippers as they're known, and that's your chicken breast just there. So I'm just going to repeat that with the other side, and there you have a second fillet. So we have 2 breasts, 2 mini fillets. I'm going to put these down here, and then we're going to pay our attention to the wings. In some restaurants, they will leave that as a whole thing, as part of the wing. I don't like to do that. I like to take each of the little bits off. It just makes nicer eating. So all you need to do is you look to see where the joins are, and just in between the joins, you just take your knife and you just pull straight through. And what you should end up with is that you should cut straight through that joint. Same with the wing tip there. So look where the joint is, just cut straight through. I messed that one up a bit, never mind. And what you should end up is, you should end up with the wingtip, the knuckle, and this bit is also good for chicken stock. But I'm not going to be making chicken stock today. So yeah guys, next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn to our chicken leg. So you've got the thigh here, the drumstick here. I can't remember what this bit's called, but this bit's really good for stock because there's loads of gelatine in there. All we're going to do is we're going to do exactly the same thing again with this. So we're going to cut through where the joint is, and then that's it really. So if we flip it over and just cut straight through. This one can be a bit tricky because the joint's quite large, but if you go like that, you can see it's just about here where the little indentation is. And we're going to flip that over. I'm just going to go straight through. We got it right. Slightly off, never mind. Just cut straight through. Lovely. So that's your thigh, and that's your drumstick. So we're going to do the exact same thing with the other chicken leg. So yeah guys and girls, that's how you butcher a chicken. Really simple to do. All it is learning where the cuts are and how to dissect the chicken, and it will save you loads of money and loads of time. So yeah guys, if you look at there, you've got the mini fillets, absolutely ideal for stir fries. Your chicken breast, you can wrap this in prosciutto ham and oven roast it. It's absolutely delicious. Up and coming video, so stay tuned, look out for that one. You got the wings, everybody loves wings. You got the drumsticks and the thighs, and these work really well when they're cooked low and slow, so either pot roasted or braised or a slow cooker if you have one. I'm going to be using these for my up and coming videos, so do stay tuned. So do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video. But in the meantime guys, happy butchering, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.